Are we live? Oh, that's the $1,000,000 question, my friends. Come on, baby. I don't know if we're live or not. Can you guys hear me? Are we live? If we are, please drop me a message because I have no idea because the screen in front of me looks really weird. We're live. Okay, so everybody can hear me. Everybody can hear me. That's the main thing. Yeah, buddy. We are out here, my friends. Alright, we live, boys. We're live. Let's get it, my friends. Is the sound okay? Yeah, that's all. I see all you commenting now, baby. First things first, guys. Please hit the juicy like button, my friends. Let's see if we can get a couple hundred likes off the bat. Help your boy out. We're gonna have a juicy chat about what happened in the market today, my friends. Look how many of us are here. My brothers and sisters. Sorry to the females. Evening, everybody's in here, baby. It's weird because it's Windows. Yeah, I'm not used to Windows. Where's Brian? Brian's here. He might pop in later. Don't worry about that. Brian's always around, my friends. So you will see on the screen, I have quite a few tabs open as it is, right? We're going to speak Workhorse. We're going to speak Lordstown. We're going to speak Virgin Galactic. We're going to speak SBE. We're going to speak Hyliion, of course. A lot, and I mean a lot, happened today, my friends. Boom. 200 likes, just like that. You guys are the best. Absolute legends. So, I see there's a lot of comments right now. Right, if you made money in the market today, drop me a comment. Let me know what percent your portfolio went up today. I am up over 10% on the day. It has been a juicy day, my friends. The first live stream we made was the worst day so many of us had ever seen. So, you know, I said I should do a live stream while we're all in good spirits this time. So let me know what percent your portfolio is up today, my friends. I'm using Windows because I can't stream on the Mac properly. I'm in the process of ordering a proper PC. 10%. Love to see 10%. Seeing a lot of the same names in here recently as well. 12%, 8%, 12, 10, 17, 20. Oh my days, people. We are making money out here. 30%, 5%. Everybody's making money. Everybody's making loads of money. That is awesome. Disappointing day, only up 7%. It's okay, my friend. It's okay. 7%, it's not too bad, you know. It's not too bad. Given the good old Trump pump. I mean, we can see a good old Trump pump happening right in front of us. Lordstown up 13%, my friends. Jeez. This is a crazy one. This is crazy, my friends. 700 people in the chat. I wonder if we can hit 1,000 again. I wonder if we can hit 1,000. Look at everybody. 1.5 gazillion. That's not bad. That's not bad. Drink some whiskey. I actually don't have whiskey today. But what I do have, since I am Irish, I have a juicy pint of Guinness. I have a juicy pint of Guinness that we may have a little drink out of on today's live stream. 20. I'm up 27, 15. Oh, baby, up 99%. You must have had some calls. Tomorrow down 20%. I mean, look, we deserve this day. We deserve this day after the onslaught that came. But as we like to say around here, guys, weak hands don't eat, baby. Weak hands don't eat. Diamond hands eat chicken tendies. How Irish of you. Isn't that an evening meal? Yeah, in Ireland it's a bit of an evening. You know, it's my dessert. It's my snack. Oh yeah, slime you lads. Oh jeez. The thing about having the mustache is all of the fluff gets caught in the mustache. You're up like 170 billion%. That's a good day. That's not a bad day. Cheers, everybody. Yeah. You know what I mean? Cheers to a good day in the market. We're all eating well today. It's a great feeling. Love Irish Guinness, love Ireland. Yes, boys, we love Ireland in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Nearly 300 likes. Please make sure to hit that juicy like button if you haven't yet, my friend. We're going to get into the juicy news soon. I just like to give people a bit of time to get involved in the chat, give people time to like the video, and also just get involved. 7%, 67%. You guys crazy, man. You guys crazy. I'm from Peru. We worldwide around here, baby. We don't discriminate. We welcome everybody. Don't know why the sound quality's not like always. Look, I'm that new to streaming. By the time I have my proper setup, it will all be perfect, I promise. 80% Dphc, 70% Workhorse. Let's go. First time here, you're a legend. Glad to see you live, my friend. Yeah, Virgin Galactic, guys. This is one that came out of nowhere. You guys know I have been pushing this hard for a few weeks. What did I say? It was a very good buy under $17, an amazing buy under 15, which we did very briefly hit. You can't even see it on the daily chart, but intraday we did dip below 15. What a run, my friends. Where do I put my money? I can't be telling you that. Hey, brother, what's up, David, my friend? I'm the GOAT. We trying, baby, we trying. Oh, come on, we can get to 1,000 viewers. I know we can. Steve Burns has 2 friends, Donald Trump and Jack Spencer. I mean, technically, me and Donald Trump are friends at this stage. You know, me, Steve, and Donald oftentimes just meet up for a juicy pint of Guinness. Brian comes sometimes too if he's not busy. Weak hands don't drink. Yeah, weak hands can't afford juicy pints of Guinness. You know what I mean? It's that simple. What's Diamond Peak? This is actually amazing as well because I was very worried there was going to be a big sell-off from, the day traders out there, but there hasn't been yet. You're the man. I'm trying. My Irish brother. Yeah, buddy, that's me. Yeah, the flicker's gone. I did realize how to get rid of the flicker. It's a little bit lower quality, but I did realize that. So, again, I actually will have a great setup. I'm going to have the best webcam money can buy. I'm going to have an amazing computer. The streams are going to get a lot better. I'm hopefully going to be ordering that tomorrow. So, yeah, it's not going to be too long until I actually have that. Billy with the first donation of the day with the $5. My friend, I appreciate that so much. Up 12%. Let's go, Workhorse, baby. A lot of us are eating tendies for dinner today. Yeah, buddy, let's go. What do I do? Tommy, this is what I do, man. I'm a YouTuber, baby. I'm a YouTuber. That's what I do. Will Hyliion go to $80 a share? Well, I mean, it's been a weird day for Hyliion, hasn't it? I'm sure, I do believe at some stage they could go to $80 a share, but I'd be very happy to see 70. I'll put it that way. I'll be very happy to see 70. Hi, guy. Be like Brian, like and sub. That's what Brian does. 30 viewers away from 1,000. Hit that like button, my friend. Let's get those 1,000 viewers, baby. Let's go, Hyliion. Yeah, let's go, Hyliion. You already know how it is. I mean, I did say in my video earlier, this is actually a little bit underwhelming. You know what I mean? It's like, look at what the EV market is doing. Like, Workhorse and Lordstown are smashing Hyliion to pieces. And this is kind of what I said in a video a while ago, that, at $50, there wasn't immense upside potential. Now, long term, I still think it's a buy. I love them. I'm holding my shares. I think it's an awesome company. But yeah, it was a bit of an underwhelming day all in all. Walter Beatty with the $5. 2,500 Workhorse shares. My man, you are living the life that all of us wish we were living. 2,500 shares. My man's making bank out here. Thank you for the 5, my man. Thank you for the 5. How many Dphc stocks do I own? I actually don't remember. It's not as many as my Workhorse. Give me 2 seconds. I think it's 210 or so. Yeah, 210 I have in Lordstown Motors right now. 528 shares of Workhorse, man. You guys making me feel small time. I only have 300 in Workhorse right now. £200 for one stock. What do you recommend? I don't really say that. I don't give exact recommendations. I just give my thoughts on companies. But I mean, a lot of the ones I speak about regularly, I still think are at good valuations. I'll put it that way. Spce, this was a surprising one today, guys. I mean, I welcome it. I welcome it a lot, but it kind of came out of nowhere. 4,700 shares of Workhorse and 80 call options. What? You crazy, man. When is the contract coming? I made a video on that. There's 3 main timelines. Either this week, mid-October, probably around the 14th or the 16th, or else the end of the calendar year. That's the main expectations. Oh, we hit over 1,000 viewers. Let's go, my friends. Appreciate you all being here. Absolute legends. The lot of you. Workhorse got 100%. We'll see what Workhorse does. SPCE prediction for October. I've been saying it on the channel for a few weeks now. I think October is going to be a crazy month. I think we're going to see volatility through the roof. It's really hard to know what the price action is actually going to do. But if today is anything to go on, we could definitely be approaching all-time highs. We could definitely be breaking that $25 mark. Wouldn't surprise me at all. Wouldn't surprise me if we started reaching towards 30. keep in mind the company we're speaking about is Virgin Galactic. Right now, it is predominantly hype and speculation that drives it. So with these test flights, that is going to drive it, in my opinion, 100%. But yeah, man, that was a crazy move for Virgin Galactic today. It was awesome, but it was crazy. Let me have a juicy sip of the good stuff. Over the K viewers, that's awesome, guys. I appreciate you all. Never gone over graph. Yeah, I just never really went over them. I never got super into them, you know. There's only so many stocks you can really get involved in. Let us know when Workhorse breaks 29.10. Yeah, soon, Brit. Soon. We'll keep the chart up for the time being until I need to change it. I mean, this is a crazy day. Really crazy day. I didn't think we were going to go up this high. 12,615 shares of Workhorse at 775. You remember, man, that does ring a bell. That's an insane amount of Workhorse shares. That you have a disgusting amount of money. That is amazing. That's disgusting. If that's true, you are crazy. You are absolutely crazy. Invest in that like button. Yeah, let's invest in that like button, my friend. You know, nothing wrong with getting up to 500 likes this quickly. That would be pretty sick. Post your live streams. I do post my live streams. I am stuck in Sun W. That's why I don't get involved in companies like that. I haven't looked into them. I can't really give you advice on Sun W. On Wednesday, yeah, we'll figure. So the ticker symbol still might not change Wednesday, but we'll know more by then. 1,100 viewers. That's the most we ever had, baby. How many SPCE do you have? I have 150, which is actually a little bit upsetting because I planned on buying more today. It was actually going to be the only stock essentially I bought this week. So I spent a lot of money last week, so I have to cut back a little bit this week. But it is what it is. You can't complain, you know what I mean? Sometimes you build your position, sometimes it starts to take off before you get where you want. It is what it is. So I think there's going to be a dip in Virgin Galactic soon with the 20% jump. But look, Virgin Galactic's an immensely volatile company, like immensely volatile. There could definitely be a dip. 25% in a day. I mean, yeah, there will be. A lot of this is day traders. Virgin Galactic is always going to have a lot of day traders, so that's going to contribute to the volatility of the company, in my opinion. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't think we're going to see a massive sell-off because keep in mind, we've been downtrending for a while. You know, we have. I think this is finally people starting to actually buy. They're happy with the price points, $15 to $17, and they're buying. Matt Eats to Lift. Oh, appreciate you being here, brother. I recognize that name. Lithium America is up 23%. Yeah, I actually did see that. I don't know where I saw because I don't keep up to date with them. It might have been in the Discord or something. Jerome, I'm sorry, I just butchered your name to pieces. The 549. Thank you so much for that, brother. I really appreciate that. All going straight into the streaming setup, baby. Should I buy Workhorse and hold after hours? I'm not going to tell you what to buy or not buy, my friend. All I know is there's not a chance I'm selling them. I'll put it that way. Like, oh, come on. Just imagine we could just touch off the $30 mark. Imagine that. Keep this live stream. Yeah, I'm loving the live streams. I'm going to keep doing them. You know, I definitely am going to keep doing them. What is capital gain? Are you referring to capital gain tax? It's the tax you make on money made, essentially. You don't. I think from the last stream you told me you were like 14. You won't need to worry about it too much yet. Greetings from Germany. Greetings, my friend. 1,200 views now. Yeah, we're nearly there, Maya. Thank you so much for popping by. I always appreciate seeing you here. Pie Guy just added you, Aaron. There you go. He got the answer. My man, Pie Guy. What a legend. Hello from Canada. Up 12% today. I love to see that. But guys, I mean, right. Lordstown Motors, okay? Up 12.39%. We've been up a little bit more. It's been a beautiful day. We head over to their Twitter. Load up for me. We see this. The White House. The White House tweeted this morning. President Donald Trump congratulated Lordstown Motors of Lordstown, Ohio on their manufacturing of the 2021 Endurance. Look at the pictures, my friends. Look at the pictures. All right, there's the boys just chilling in the White House, you know, walking out. I interviewed this man a couple of weeks ago. That's pretty weird. I wonder if Steve can get me into the White House. Imagine a live stream in the White House. That'd be pretty sick. There they are. Having a look at the cheeky vehicle. You know, the boys having a right laugh with the vehicle. And this here is like Donald Trump saying, so this is what's going to make us all of the money, you know? And Steve's here, he's like, yeah, this is what's going to make us all loads of money. Well, I mean, this is sick. And to be completely honest, guys, I'm surprised we're not up more. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Lordstown is DPHC, yes. Thoughts on RKT? Don't have much whatsoever. Price prediction for SBCE when they send Richard Branson to space. Very bold prediction, but I mean, again, it's so hard to put prices on Virgin Galactic because it really is hype and speculation that moves it. And there's not much more that we can compare it to. But I mean, an easy 100+% wouldn't surprise me. A 200+% wouldn't surprise me if all goes exactly the plan and people get behind them. Upset Tunic, €2. Don't know. Thank you so much, my friend. We need an Irish meetup. I'd love to do an Irish meetup. I mean, right now with the whole Roni situation, it's probably not the best idea, but someday, 100%. Yeah, SBE up 14%. I have that open here. I mean, it's beautiful. You know what I mean? It's absolutely beautiful. I do think this is one of the SPACs that will shoot up quite quickly, in all honesty. A sip of that pint. Oh, you mean of this juicy Guinness? You know, one day I'll get you a pint of juicy Guinness, right? ARV 1001. Hey Jack, I bought Shell warrants and SBE warrants. How do I go about converting them into regular stocks? In Ireland, I don't have the ability to purchase warrants, so I don't know the most about them, sadly, my friend. You know what I mean? One of the bad things about Ireland, we don't really have many good options in Ireland. Like, I can't trade options efficiently. You know what I mean? There's not really brokers that offer good options. And then warrants are another thing. I don't even have the option to buy them. It really sucks. We need some Donald Trump gains tax. Yeah, I mean, I would love to be paying that tax in all honesty. I'm making you so much money. I'm happy, my friends. I'm happy. We are all having a very good day, I'll put it that way. You know, especially after the bloodbath we saw last month, my portfolio is only a few percent away from all-time highs again. So, you know, as I like to say, especially lately, weak hands don't eat, baby. Weak hands don't eat. Tommy, what do you do, Jack? I mean, this is what I do, YouTube. I have no idea who Unfi are, so I don't know anything about their earnings. SB is going to be a runner. Yeah, no, I do think they are. I like them. I am invested. I have 100 shares. I bought in at the 14, so I haven't really made much money whatsoever. But was it the 14s? I'm not sure. But yeah, I really do like them. I really do like them. Any plans to talk about the warrants and options in the near future? You see, I just don't know enough about them. Maybe I'll do some more. I'll just figure out what they really are. But I mean, I don't want to put much time into it since I physically can't utilize them. You know, it doesn't make much sense. Every time Workhorse dips, think about increasing my position, but payday's in 2 days and I think I've missed it again. Yeah, I mean, like, where did I buy? I didn't buy at the bottom. I bought here somewhere. I bought in the 24s, and you know, it was bad seeing it go down so much, but now all of those shares are in the money, not to mention all of the ones I already owned beforehand. So, yeah. Do I have a team? No, but I might be getting somebody on the team soon. And I might, just because a lot of time goes into this and there's so much more that I want to do. If I can, you know, give somebody little jobs here and there, it will mean I can produce more content for you guys. Camco with the juicy 5 beans. This one's for you, my friend. I appreciate the 5 so much. Juicy Guinness. Juicy Guinness for the donuts. Oh, we just hit 1,200 viewers. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. Oh, and MPOW with the $20 donation. Dundalk loves Workhorse and Diamond Peak. You'll never walk alone. Up Dundalk. Up Dundalk. We're putting Ireland on the map here in this stream, my friends. IPOB, haven't done enough research. Appreciate that big time though, MPOW. Thank you. You're legend. Legend. I'll work for you, bro. Yeah, no, I do everything myself so far. It's a lot of hours. I do all of the research, the recording, the editing, the thumbnail design, the responding to comments, managing my Discord. I literally everything I do completely by myself. Any stocks I haven't made a video on that I like? MP Materials, I can create thumbnails. No, that's fine. I appreciate it, but I'm happy to make my thumbnails right now. Check what, my friend? I received a tender offer on Ccxx a few days ago. I just lost it. Jack, check PLL. Say goodbye to $15. What's $15? PLL stock. Why do I feel like we looked at this yesterday? Am I taking any profits on any of? No, not a chance. If you sell Workhorse at $28, you can't sell it at 300. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, I remember seeing something to do with Tesla, isn't it? Tesla fight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I saw that. Yeah, it's the kind of thing. I see this price action. I've zero interest, but yeah, I'm sure there's a good story there. I'm sure it is something I will read into in my own time. But yeah, I'll take over Jay Powell. You never know, Tyler, brother. You never know. No, I don't think that's something I'm going to be doing. Am I sure this is all you and not your twin? If not, you're a machine. It's all me, my friends. It's all me, my friends. It really is. But I will get somebody to help soon, just to make it better for everybody. You know what I mean? What's my price prediction for Dphc after the merger? I don't really set price predictions. You know what I mean? I don't see the point. I don't plan on selling after the merger, so I'm not really worried. But yeah, I think they deserve a bigger run up. I will say that much. I think they deserve to be more than they are right now. I call them the most undervalued EV stock at $17 a share. I thought I made a video saying they were still very undervalued here. I still think they're undervalued. Yeah, no, new merch idea. We cans don't eat. I was only saying that in my private Discord earlier on. I'm gonna hopefully make those t-shirts soon. I have like 3 new merch drops coming soon. They're all pretty exciting. 1,200 viewers in the chat still, my friends. I appreciate you all being here. Please make sure to hit that juicy like button if you haven't yet. Yeah, like things like this with PLL, did I leave it up? I mean, we've seen it a million times. It goes up and it sells off 50+%. Now, of course, sometimes things can be different, but and again, I don't actually even know who the company are. I don't know what they do. I haven't done any research. Have I bought any real estate in Ireland, man? No, not yet, brother. But that is the plan. That is one of the big plans with me. I do want to own some real estate. I'm the cure to your stress from school. I love chilling here, bro. I love to hear that. That's what I like about these live streams. I mean, we can all just sit back and chill. You know, nobody really has to do anything. You obviously can't have a juicy pint of Guinness, but some of us can. You know what I mean? Because of my gains today, a little tip for you, Chef. Oh, Chef, you are always here, my friend. I appreciate that so much. You are awesome. You are awesome, my friend. Much love, bro. Much love, Danny. I appreciate you being here. I love to see the growth, bud. Every stream you grow. Yeah, the growth is awesome. I mean, that's what's so exciting about YouTube, I guess, is that there's always more new people becoming involved. There's always a bigger community. It's an awesome spot. Which broker? Trading 212. My take on desktop merger. I have a video on them, and everything's still the same from there. I don't think much has come to light since then. I think it's a longer term hold. I really like them. BD Raindrop, what's happening, bro? Do I think Trump talks Workhorse tomorrow? Honestly, probably not. I mean, obviously, that's what we all want to see happen, but I highly doubt it. I just love your positive vibes. I think that's one of the best things about this community here is, we're a happy bunch. You know what I mean? We're a happy bunch. Why to spike up in Workhorse? Well, I mean, let me refresh it. Why the crash in Workhorse? It's price action. This is what I said all last week. This is normal. It's normal. I didn't predict it happening, but it's normal. It's fine. I mean, we're still not even at all-time highs. We're in just as good a position as we were, if not better now, especially after everything that's going on with Lordstown Woods and Trump, than we were at $30. So yeah, it's normal. It's fine. Killing with a gin and tonic. Let's go, Seb. Love it. Love it. What do I think about VXRT? No idea who they are, so don't really care. When is Dphc going public? By the end of the year, there's speculation that it's October, but that's all it is, complete speculation. Be like Brian, like and sub. Jeez, we're up to 600 likes. Yeah, let's go, people. Right. Market is nearly actually closed. We have 7 more minutes. I'm really interested to see if we can hold in these last few minutes or if there is going to be some profit taken. Because that is something we see very, very often. We do see a few of these companies slowly trickling down. Workhorse, not necessarily. But it's just a matter of time. We have to wait and see. What's Hyliion doing? Is it still chilling? Hyliion's a bit disappointing today, my friends. I'm not going to lie to you guys. If Trump doesn't announce Workhorse tomorrow, should we sell and buy the sell? Man, do you know who you're speaking to? I don't try and time the market. Not a chance I would sell them. I mean, Trump speaking about them doesn't change fundamentals. There's not going to be a sell-off just because Trump doesn't speak about them. I mean, if you understand Workhorse and the USPS contract, Trump isn't going to announce it. It's literally in no universe it's going to come from the USPS's mouth. I'll put it that way. Look at Healy's Twitter changes Friday. Oh, really? I assume you mean the ticker symbol? Thomas Healy or Hyliion? Let's see. Why is it not playing any sound for
their vote for the merger with Hyliion, and I'm extremely excited to say that we received a positive vote in favor of the business combination. Now this puts us on track to being able to close the transaction on Thursday and begin trading on Friday. Now ancillary vote number 3 around director reclassification has not yet hit a majority approval. So Tortoise is going to leave voting open on just this one proposal until Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So my ask of all of you is, if you haven't yet voted and you're a Shell shareholder, please go cast your vote. I'm extremely thrilled and looking forward to being able to start trading as HYLN later this week.
Interesting. Yeah, that's cool. So he said, yeah, excited to trade as HYLN later this week, so we can expect it to happen by the end of the week. That's pretty awesome. That's happy days. That's the oldest looking 28-year-old I've ever seen. Yeah, I was surprised to find out he was 28 in all honesty. Shorts just hit. I mean, is this a joke or are we actually seeing a sell-off? Well, Hyliion's up. Oh, there is that pullback I was speaking of that we so often see. Okay, so we're seeing it in Lordstown, not in Workhorse. Workhorse is killing it today. Absolutely killing it. That's insane. Hydrogen won't catch up to electric cars for years to come. Yeah, I'm not going to disagree with you there. Shouldn't Dpac skyrocket you to Trump? Congrats. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it is doing well. When shall I sell my Workhorse shares? I mean, I'll sell when we reach hundreds of dollars a share, more than likely. Maybe 200-300, I'd be happy. No, I mean, it's the same answer for every single question. You know what I mean? It's when fundamentals change or when you need the cash. It really is that simple. It doesn't get any more complicated to that than me. I too am a little disappointed in Hyliion today, but I haven't wavered a bit with my expectation of success. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, just because we didn't see the move that we necessarily wanted to see today, nothing changed fundamentally except for the good. You know, we know that the merger is happening. Thomas Healy himself, yeah, little dips are happening. Thomas Healy himself said that they should be trading under HYLN by the end of the week. So, is the market close? 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes till market close. If everything can drop, I mean, if we can stay where we are, that's happy days. Do you make more from YouTube or from stocks? I am interested because I really want to invest in Music Theory YouTube page. Yeah, YouTube, definitely. I mean, all my money's long term in the stock market. You know what I mean? I don't really take realized gains out of the market in general. I mean, if anybody in my Discord can tell you that, my buy and sell alerts, there hasn't been a single sell alert. So I'm not a trader, you know, I am a long-term investor. Well, guys, we've 666 likes. Please, somebody hit that like button. Somebody hit that like button, or else the viewers are going to drop to like 6. David, guys, don't be cheap. Brother Jack works hard for all this info. Donation is awesome. What goes around comes around. Look, I really do appreciate the donation, man. Absolutely massively. Thank you so much. But you guys don't need to feel inclined to donate. Of course, it's very appreciated, but there is no need to do it. But yes, thanks, David. I mean, I always see you in the streams and in my comment section, so thanks for being here. Not the same without the hoodie. It's really warm and all of my t-shirts are in the wash. I mean, I'm sorry. Soon it won't be an issue. I'll have more t-shirts because I'm going to be doing an order when I have all these new designs. I literally have more than likely 3 or 4 new designs. It's going to be a massive drop. But yeah. It's been a juicy day. Oh, it's been a very juicy day, brother. And now we're finishing off the juicy day on YouTube as a family with a juicy pint of the black stuff. Any general thoughts on Ccxx? Yeah, I still love them. Still think they're extremely undervalued. I don't think they did too much today, did they? Yeah, they went up 1%. They didn't really do anything at all. Right, you're getting timed out, Javier. It's obviously your first time here. Yeah, somebody else timed you out, brother. That's what you get. Don't spam the chat or else you are gone, my friend. And I will do it again. I will ban you again, no problem. Jack's YouTube going public through a SPAC offering. I'd love to go public through a SPAC offering. I mean, that'd be sick, if for nothing else but the memes. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know Ccxx is doing nothing, guys. But I did say this from the start. I mean, as far as SPACs go in particular, it's not sexy, is it? It's boring. It's going to take a while. But I do think from a long-term perspective, awesome company. Awesome, Jack, with your positive energy. Yeah, you guys make it easy. You already know what it is. Yo, 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 what's happening? Nutcracker, my guy. Good to see you in the chat. I'll invest in you. Ccxx versus Ccxx, which is better? I mean, do you? No, I prefer Ccxx. Someone must have stock in spam. Is spam actually? I know that's a joke, but now I'm wondering, is that a ticker symbol? Ah, it doesn't look. Wait, no, it doesn't look like it is. Or is it? Is it? Come on, come on. Oh no, I don't think it is. Ah, sadly. That's okay. That's okay. Oh wait, right. Market's closed. Give me 2 seconds. I'll come back to the chat, guys. Workhorse up 13.38%. Beautiful, beautiful. Lordstown up 12.81%. Yeah, we actually made a little peak in the last few minutes of trading. Okay, awesome. Virgin Galactic, what did you do? Beautiful, beautiful company. I love you. Right, SBE 12.7. Oh, there's that little sell-off that we see so often, but it's only a tiny one. We're still up 12% on the day. Hyliion, what are you doing, my friend? Where did you close the day? Yeah, the most disappointing of the bunch. Okay, let me see what my portfolio did for the day after. Right, where is my very juicy portfolio? I closed up 10.02% for the day. Let's go, baby. Absolutely love it. Is Workhorse your favorite? Yes. Let me know what you guys actually closed the day on there now, my friends. 3 shares of Ccxx. Let's go. After hours in Hyliion, it starts jumping. I mean, the after hours have only been going on for 1 minute. We're up 3.3% after hours already. That's pretty insane. Hyliion will shoot up this week, no doubt. Yeah, I hope so, and I do believe so. I believe so. How many likes would it take to get Brian to down a pint of Guinness? I don't know. Brian isn't very good with drink, you see. That's the problem with Brian. Like, he doesn't have a very big mouth. I don't know if I can get Brian to drink Guinness. Neil Irvin with the $20. Appreciate you so much, my man. Thank you so much. Here's to a few pints for you. Thanks for your insight. NASA wants me to get back to work. Well, I mean, do you actually work for NASA? If you do, that's insane, man. That is absolutely insane. But thank you so much for the 20, man. It means a lot to me. Well, what are you guys making today? 9%, 4.5, 4.2, 7. 7. I can tell who's in Workhorse on Lordstown and Virgin Galactic. 12%, 14, 24.88. What do you mean? Are you just in Virgin Galactic? Brian prefers a nice shandy. Yeah, Brian's not able for it. Over 17%, 10. Jeez, you guys are crazy, my friends. Brian's mouth is huge, yeah, but it's not a very functional mouth, you see. He actually drinks through his nostrils. 2.2% gain, well done. 9%, 10.87. Use a straw. Maybe Brian will have a juicy pint of Guinness someday. We'll see, you guys. We'll see. How many stocks do I own? I'll add it up quickly. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. 21 stocks. Well, I assume you meant companies. Yeah, 21 companies. Everybody's making money today. Love to see it. Love to see it, my friends. Up 25% since I started watching your videos. Let's go. We making that money together, my friends. 21%, 4, 2.85. I think everybody pretty much made money today. That's a good day in the market, my friends. How many times a day do you check your portfolio? It depends. You know, on a day like today where, you know, I'm making videos and I'm doing this live stream more often, I only really check it in order to make videos. You know what I mean? If it's relevant, but I don't check it all that often, in all honesty. Are they all EV stocks? No, my only EV stocks are Workhorse, Hyliion, Tesla, Neo, Lordstown, and then SBE if you include them. I like turtles, yeah, a lot of us like turtles. But I mean, it's still not the best turtle in the universe so far, but we'll see what it does. 140% up on Shell. I think I'm about the same, am I? What am I up on Hyliion? Now, I'm only up 127.38%, so you are killing it, my friend. What do I think about CleanSpark? Yeah, love them. Not invested, but yeah, I like them. Are you investing in UK stocks? I'm not in any. Oh, that wasn't even at me, sorry. If I was allowed, I would be donating all the time. No, man, don't worry about that, bro. You're young. Keep your money. Please keep your money. I'd be happy if I can make 1% a day. Yeah, 1% a day is insane. You know what I mean? That's amazing. 46% overall profit in Workhorse. Let's go. No index funds for me. A lot of messages. Have we already today spoken about the Workhorse USPS deal? Well, I mean, there's not really too much that needs to be said that hasn't already been said. You know what I mean? We did speak a little bit about the whole Lordstown situation, of course. I mean, there's the two mates, me and good Steve. You know, me and Steve go way back. You know what I mean? But yeah, you can see them having a chat. They're saying this is where I'm going to put all of my money from the stocks. Any dividend stocks? Very few. There is a couple in there still, but very few. PRNE went up 8.8% today. That's actually good. I'm glad to hear that because I am an investor. What? Why is it showing up like that? Doesn't look like it went up 8.8%. 34.82% Workhorse. Love that. Whoever said take 1% a day, comment. I'm going to take a guess and say you have 10k in the market. I mean, I think it was just more of a concept, man. Like 1% a day adds up very quickly is kind of the point that's trying to be made. Javier, no worries, man. No worries. Any UK growth stock for us? Yeah, take everything I'm about to say with a very, very, very big pinch of salt because I haven't really done research, or much research anyway, but one that always did pique my interest was Boohoo. Now, a lot of you guys will remember this big crash here, so I did consider buying down here after that 50%, and I mean, from the bottoms, they are up 80%, so that would have been a nice buy, but I'm not particularly interested in all honesty. Another one that's quite interesting to me right now is THG, the Hook Group. They're actually on the NYSE right here. Wait, no, this isn't who I'm thinking about. Where's TH? That's not the Hook Group stock. This is who I was thinking of. Different stock exchange. These guys only went public 16th of September. I like them. But again, I haven't actually done much research into the stock, the financials, etc. I just like the company. But yeah, this is one that I'll definitely have a look into at some stage. But a very big company, you know what I mean? What happened to Peak today? That's one of the companies I didn't actually have a look at, in all honesty. There was so much going on. Yeah, up 0.59%. That's pretty poor. That's pretty poor considering that, in my opinion, this was one of the riskier SPAC related companies right now. I think it's either going to go up a lot or not do anything. So it's not a promising sign, but you know, it could come in another day or two. No more drinking while casting live. Why, bro? Robert, man, you're literally one of the first people who was on the channel. I will always remember that name. You were here before 1,000 subs. Yeah, $29 wall for Workhorse. It is what it is. We're always going to have that. Those swing traders, those day traders are also part of the reason why the stock's going up. You know, that's why stocks go up and they go down. You should look at Square and Pinterest. Yeah, I really like Square. I think it's very expensive in all honesty, but I do really like them. Pinterest, no interest in me personally. Thoughts on SPAC? They're a joke in my... No, they're not a joke in my opinion, but I'm not a fan. Not a fan. Thanks, mate. You're a legend. Appreciate you, TP. When do you think Ccxx will pop? You see, that's the thing, guys. I don't necessarily think it's going to pop as such. You know what I mean? I think it's going to be a slower journey, but I do think that they have a really bright future. Have I had a look into Solo? Yeah, not really interested. Thoughts on granite chairs? No, 3x short / long Tesla. No, I wouldn't mess with that. It's awesome that you've spoken to Lordstown CEO and he's right there with the president. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty weird. That was what somebody else in my Discord had said earlier, and I was just like, yeah, that is pretty weird to think of. Am I in SPAC? No, I am not in SPAC. I don't like SPAC at all. Do I invest in any ETFs? No. I made a lot of money with PLL. Fair play. Well done. I'm glad somebody in here did. Spce, I already covered them an awful lot. Love them, of course. Portfolio up 4.9%. That's awesome. Still over 1,000 viewers in the chat, my friends. That is awesome. Nearly 800 likes as well. Legends. Is Workhorse still worth buying? I mean, look, you're in my live stream. You probably know who I am, you know. I think a lot of people know me for Workhorse content, so I'm gonna let you. You can use your imagination in regards to what my answer is. Opinion on TRNE? Yeah, love them. Just covered them, Billy, but I do like them a lot. What time is it there? So it's just gone 9 p.m. Market closes 9 p.m. in Ireland. JT Hawaii with the $5, my friend. Thank you so much. Genuinely, really appreciate that. Thanks so much. Keep it up. Oh, Will, I'll keep it up, my friend. I'll keep it up. What's up, legend? What's up, Dominic? You're the man. Just so you know, guys, this probably isn't going to be the longest stream in the world. I probably will close it at about the hour mark just because I was very tired today. I did a lot of work over the last 5 days, so I want to get an early night tonight and make sure that, you know, I just refresh them back at it. Over 800 likes, by the way. Thank you all so much. Why do people keep asking me about SPAC? I'm saying this every few minutes. I don't like them. I don't like SPAC. I never have. Either SBE or SPCE still a buy. SBE, definitely SPCE long term, I do believe so. But I have been saying for weeks and weeks, under 17 was a great buy, under 15 was an amazing buy. TP Darius, all of you lovely people have to go. Make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe for the Legend Deck. I appreciate you for showing up so much, man. I always see your name. JJ is back in the house. What's up, my friend? Have you started taking the financial courses yet? This is something I was actually going to make a video on soon because, as a lot of you guys know, I spend a lot of time on YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, I genuinely work at least. It's so hard to put a number on it because there's so much that goes on behind the scenes, but let's say at least 80 hours a week. That financial course is going to be 30 to 40 hours a week. I'm not able to do it. So I put that on the back burner. I said I'm really going to focus on this passion, and it's paid off so far. You know what I mean? So that's on the back burner for a while now. Sadly, I'm not going to become a financial advisor within 2 years, but that was a decision I had to make. You know, you only have so many hours in a day, have to prioritize things. UVXY. What is UVXY? Ultra VIX short-term futures. I assume this is a hedge against the broader market. Yeah, if that's what you're into, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. Ah, jeez, I love this picture so much. Workhorse will pay all my credit cards. Let's go. LCA, yeah, still fine, still fine. You know what I mean? I'm liking them. Love the content. How much you got invested? I don't think I want to say that just yet, but what I will say is an awful lot more than my first time I let you guys know. It's a good bit more. It's a good bit more. Yeah, JJ. It was a tough decision, honestly, man. But you know, you have to do what's in your best interest. It was conflicting, but the potential that YouTube has, it can outperform being a financial advisor, and I prefer this than studying. So I thought this made more sense to really pursue heavily. SPCE just getting started. I mean, I completely agree. Again, guys, I've been saying this for a long time. I've been preaching this on the channel for literal months and months and months. I do think they're only getting started. I mean, a lot of people lost interest in them when this crash happened here. A lot of people haven't even really looked at these guys for 5-6 weeks, but the whole time I've been saying this is the best time to buy them, and then the spike happened. You know what I mean? Lucas Murphy, what's happening, brother? I'm sure you were hyped when you saw Endurance hanging out. It was crazy. I didn't really believe it. You know what I mean? I really didn't believe it. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. Shards, if I became a financial advisor, would be a little bit redundant. Brian is a horse mask Jack. Where's Neve? Is Neve asking who Brian is? I don't know. I didn't see a Neve in the chat, but yeah, it's not a horse mask. Brian is a horse. He just lives in my house. Is Tesla going to rise long term? Yes, in my opinion. Who knows what's going to happen in the short term with anything? 837 likes, you big legends, you big legends. Flux, 49% aftermarket. You guys love bringing up companies that I have no idea who they even are. Right. Flux Power Holdings. What was announced? Jeez. Okay, I see you guys. Jeff Hardy. Who would win in a fight, Workhorse or Dphc? Well, I mean, Workhorse is a lot bigger. You know, it's a lot bigger than Dphc, so Workhorse probably wins that fight, brother. But thank you so much for the 5, man. Are you aware of any UK EV companies or those involved in parts sales development? Not off the top of my head, but it probably would be quite easy to find them. Still too late to buy Spce. Like, guys, I can't tell you that. That's up to yourself. Long term, I don't think so whatsoever. You know what I mean? Like, I've said before, I could see these guys being a 10x when we were at $15 or so. So, I mean, is $20 too late? No. It could also be a $7 stock. Anything can happen. Yeah, the potential of Spce is unlimited. It is literally that simple. I mean, it's Spce we're talking about. They're going to trade at massive multiples. You know, it really is that simple. USPS contract today. I doubt it. I'd like it, but I doubt it. Should we take money out during elections? I won't be. That's not how I work. I don't want to pay capital gains tax just to reinvest. What, is there a dick in chat? Oh, I didn't see the message. I like taking the piss out of dicks in chat. Maybe make a sign behind you for do's and don't on the chat. What you mean? I don't get it. I don't understand. Oh, here's Neve. Oh, hi Neve. Yeah, Brian he's not a horse mask. He's a real horse, guys. Why do you think he's a horse mask? Amazon stock split. I would love to see an Amazon stock split. Do I make my living off trading? No, I don't trade. I'm a long-term investor. I make my living off YouTube. What blue chip stocks do you like? All of the big tech stocks I have always liked. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, etc. Google seems to have good value right now. Nathan Barnes, petition for weak hands don't eat much. Yeah, it's happening. I'll get on it very soon. I will. Mark Sweetser with the $10. Love all your advice, man. Can't thank you enough. Love the EV SPACs. I don't know what you're talking about, my man. I don't give out any advice. I just speak about stocks. What you decide to listen to is your own business. No, but no, thank you so much for the 10, my friend. Hope you're making money. Remember us when you're the most subscribed, invest in YouTube. I mean, anybody who interacts with me a lot, I genuinely do remember. Like Robert is in the chat right now. That man has been with me before 1,000 subs, and he will tell you I still reply to as many of his comments as I see. We have built a relationship. He's an awesome guy. Jack Biceps. I recognize that name as well. Coincidence that Trump just met with the Lordstown Motor CEO and they used to be the CEO of Workhorse. I mean, I don't know if it's a coincidence, my friend. We'll have to wait and see. You promised me apple juice in the Discord. I didn't promise apple juice in the Discord. I'm having a juicy black Guinness. You know, I can't have everything. Any recommendation for the dividend stocks? I don't keep up to date with them as much. All of the usual ones, in all honesty. Yeah, there's Robert. Robert, my man. Appreciate you being here, bro. You've literally been here from day one. How do I feel about Piedmont? No idea who they are. Can I make a video on lithium stocks? Maybe, probably not. How's the house pricing where you're from? Like rent house prices? Pretty expensive right now compared to where they were a little while ago. I don't know the prices off the top of my head. Probably like if you're looking at a 2-bed, it probably starts at like 600-700 a month in euro. So an extra, what, 13-14% in dollars. Thank you so much, Zeke. Is Dpac a good investment for the short term? You're asking the wrong guy. I mean, yeah, probably. I believe it's going up short term, but you're asking me off the back of a 12% day. But yeah, I definitely do. Why is Flux soaring after hours? I mean, your guess is as good as mine. Let's see if we can, we'll see what the news is saying. The revenue increased by 81%. That's probably doing it. Yeah, Apple's a good dividend stock with their whole juicy 1% dividend. I've been following you since you were 12k followers. Appreciate that so much, Trenton, my friend. That's actually a cool question. There's still 1,000 of us in the chat, but let me know when you subscribe to me. That would actually be really, really interesting. Let me know how many subs I had, you know. Ron Williams with the $5. Appreciate you so much, Ron. Thank you for doing that. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. Billy, you are getting timed out, my friend. I don't answer questions if you spam. That is the worst way to get me to answer a question. I already said I don't even know who Piedmont is. Oh, but Ron, you're the one who donated. Look, I honestly don't even know who they are. Oh, that's PLL. Sorry, I didn't even read the name earlier on. Yeah, I don't know anything. I don't know anything about this company, my man. I haven't subbed. Oh, that's a bit upsetting. June 13. That's alright. 35k, 17,000. Oh, another dono. I nearly missed that. Sorry, brother. Jeez. What's your thoughts on Onvo? Human tissue 3D printing? Well, I must say, I haven't looked into them, but that does sound like something that's up my alley. You know me, I do like innovation. Have they been around long? Jeez, okay, we IPO'd all the way back in 2012. And it hasn't been good ever since. That is the kind of thing that would interest me. I might check these guys out. 42k, 500 subs, about 14k, about 9k, mid-July, 1 and 2k. Nicholas, I actually do know your name. You've been here a long time. I subscribed today after a juicy YouTube recommendation. Good to have you on the team, Nathan. 20k, 4k subs yesterday. This is crazy. It's so cool seeing so many different people from different times. Anna, oh, this is live now. Yeah, we live out here. That's how we do. 3 months ago, subbed, my guy. Arc are in them. That is always something that interests me massively. Okay, I'm definitely going to check these guys out. Up to date. Did anything happen today? I don't see any news. I'll check them out. I will check them out, definitely. Have we done a shout out to patient SPC investors? Yes, Anna, I'm glad to hear you are one of them. We love patient investors. Weak hands don't eat, baby. The Gats with $20. My man, I appreciate you so much. Workhorse, Lordstown, Ohio. You're doing a fantastic as always, Jack. One of the first 15,000. Again, somebody who's been around for a very long time. Thank you so much. I love seeing that you guys have been here for so long. That is that's just awesome. We still have about 1,000 viewers, 890 likes. Oh, come on. Please hit that like button if you haven't yet. Imagine we could get to 1,000 likes on a live. That'd be awesome. I saw that they signed the deal with Tesla. It just didn't all resonate in my head. End of week prediction for Workhorse. I mean, again, guys, I don't really like setting price targets with time frames that are that small, in my opinion. I would really like to see a new all-time high. I would really like to see us break through 29 at the very least. And if that happens, I think that we can go up a whole lot higher. Oh, the likes are pouring in. 928. Can we hit the juicy 1,000? When my room was blue, that's how I know you're an OG. If you remember the blue wall, you, my friend, are an OG on this channel. Killing it, brother. Thanks for the savage advice. Thanks for showing up to the stream, my friend. Means a lot to me. Camper Van Robinson. Here's with the $5. Thank you so much. Here's some cash for stock, my man, Jack, aka BuzzOff63. I appreciate you massively, my man. That will go straight into the setup. With the money we've made on the last few streams, it definitely is going to go towards the stream and setup. That's awesome. LA 2bet is 2.5k. Yeah, but if you look at the wages in Ireland in general, not necessarily Dublin, but specifically, the country places, yeah, the wages aren't as good. Fancy supporting Jack's apple juice collection and getting a fancy tag on Discord, access to Patreon channels and more. That's where you sign up to Patreon, baby. But the thing about Patreon, guys, is you have to pay on the 1st of every month. So if you're thinking about signing up, it could be worth waiting a couple of days. I know that doesn't make sense for me to say because the money's going to me. But, you will get charged now and the 1st. So maybe, wait. Jack's going to have a nice setup. I'm going to get the best setup. I'm telling you guys, the streams are going to go to the next level. Just call me Neb. Here yet again, my friend. Another name. Neb will tell you. I feel like I have a relationship with this guy. You know what I mean? I don't know what his face looks like. He watches me a lot, but we speak often. Bought your merch the first day you released them. That means a lot, man. Thank you so much. I don't care what you say, Jack. You're my financial advisor. No, if the SEC asks, I'm not. I hear it's very expensive to live in Ireland. Yeah, Robert, you see, there's some places that are just because I know to somebody who lives in America, the the cost of renting somewhere might not seem high, but the wage difference, it can be tough. Room temp beer out there? What's wrong with you? Why would we prefer room temp beer? That's disgusting. Honest, Jack, that's why we're here. I mean, I'm always going to keep it real with you guys. You already know that. Who's the second runner up for the USPS contract? Ford. Ice cold beer for me, the Corona. Yeah, no, of course it has to be ice cold, especially if you're having a juicy Guinness. I mean, it has to be cold, my friend. It really does. Shall I buy Dphc during election days or now? That's up to you, my friend. I can't answer that for you. Apple juice and Guinness. Yeah, this is the last sip right now, but the stream is going to be ending quite soon, guys. I mean, we're nearly live for an hour. And as I said, I need an early night. I need to be refreshed because there's a couple of really juicy videos I want to make for you guys tomorrow. So, I mean, I'm around 50 and think I'm screwed. You see, that's kind of why I made my video a while ago. I don't think you're screwed, my friend. I mean, you're only down $2 a share. It's not all that bad. And in my opinion, it definitely is going to break 50 soon. But yeah. I like this live stream. Unfortunately, I only have Monday off for stock days. I'm glad you like the live stream. Here since your first Delta Airlines video, B YouTube, I know your name as well. Yeah, those were the days. Delta Airlines, Nat, Carnival. If you remember me speaking about those companies, you've been around a while. I heard outside the US prefer room temp beer. If you prefer room temp beer, there's something wrong with you, my friend. You should start your own SPAC, Juicy. A lot of people have said that, more than you would expect. Jack is one of the few real cool stock YouTubers, not a poser, big fan. I appreciate it, man. I'm just me, I'm just doing my thing. I'm amazed we've gotten to where we are, in all honesty, but I just do my thing. I'm not going to change. I'm just going to do what I want to do. Bought SPE at the peak today, already down 4.5% on it. Yeah, but I mean, are you a trader or a long-term investor? You're going to be okay, my friend. You're going to be okay. Do you ever sleep? Yes, I'm going to have a big sleep today because I will admit I'm tired. Okay, I've said it. I'm tired. I've been working a lot, but no, I do. I sleep loads. I sleep plenty. It's time to go to work. That's the thing. I want to sleep well tonight so I can work really hard tomorrow. There's a lot of things I want to bring out. Room temp beer is okay. I mean, there's a few things I tolerate room temp beer, but I mean, why would you choose to drink it if you have a fridge? That's what I think. You try a black and blue moon on the bottom and Guinness on the top. No, I can't say I have. Let me know actually, why not? The stream's going to end soon. Let me know your favorite drink in the comments now. Look at Flux afterwards. Yeah, we did. BA is no good till Air Industry is allowed. Yeah, I think it's a good value play. Will I get 1,000 likes? Oh, we're 20 likes away from 1,000 on a live. That's sick. I appreciate you all. That's absolutely awesome. Dpac is the rare earth miner company. I'm going to have a very exciting video in regards to them. It might not be this week. It might have to wait till next week. JG back again with the dono, man. Oh my days. I am not a financial client, but I am in Brian's Finance Alliance. Well, the thing is, Brian's a financial advisor for like 30 years. Now, but no, JJ, for real, man. As always, lots of love to you. Really appreciate you showing your support, whether it is the donation or just being in the comment section every day without fail. Thank you so much. Right, what's everybody's... Oh, Billy with the $2. Sorry for the spam. I don't know how it happened. No, it's okay, bro. I know it happens sometimes, but it's just... If I don't time people out, then, people get annoyed and everybody thinks they can do it. So I do appreciate you saying sorry. Corona, Belgian Moon, Guinness, Blue Moon, Guinness, Jack and Ginger. That's a nice drink, actually. Yeah, Corona. White House Lordstown. Oh, of course. I have it open on this screen over here. G&T. That beer is tremendous. You mean Guinness? Why don't you like HCAC? It's not that I necessarily don't like HCAC. I don't want to invest in it very much, and that's fine. You don't have to invest in every company that piques your interest. I'll put it that way. We hit 1K likes. That's awesome, guys. Thank you all so much. That's insane, and that's a nuts number of likes. I mean, when I started this YouTube channel, when I got 1,000 views in a week, that was crazy. To get 1,000 likes on a live stream, you guys are nuts. Thank you all so much. Any IPA? Oh, I like a good IPA, my friend. Water, yes, Aaron. Proper 12 whiskey. It's not a great whiskey, my friend. Fireball, you must be crazy, my friend. Did you invest in PIC? Not yet. Can you do an updated video on Ccxx? Yeah, I'll make a video on them soon. Silver Chimp, time me out for the fun of it. Nah, bro, I ain't gotta time you out, bro. You're my man. You're my guy. Just drop the like. Been on the channel for like a month and a half. Content is great. Thank you so much, Dave. Means a lot to me. Jameson on the rocks. I can respect the Jameson on the rocks. Jeez, Camper Van Robinson, just figured out how to send you more stock. You don't have to send me more anything, my friend. But thank you so much. I mean, it really is appreciated. That's $15 from Camper Van. Thank you so much, man. Just figured out how to send you more stock. That's nearly a Workhorse share. Rose Ales with the $5. Best Guinness is at the top of the storehouse, in my opinion. Best country I've visited so far. We'll be back. Let's ride this horse to the moon. Fun fact, remember when I was in the hotel room, recording the videos for a couple of days, I was in Dublin, but because of the Roni, the storehouse was closed, so I couldn't go. I really wanted to go. Rated, obviously, yes, it's exploding because of Tesla. Hydro homies. Gotta go to sleep, Jack. See you tomorrow, Upsit Unique. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace. I'm out. Been watching since 4K. Thank you so much, James. Always look forward to the videos. Thank you. Means a lot. Any MJ stocks I'm interested in? Not in particular. I haven't done enough research into the industry, to really be interested enough, Thoughts on CVS? Yeah, it's not a stock that excites me very much, you know what I mean? I'm going to try the Guinness and Blue Moon. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. It does sound cool. The reason your channel is growing this well is because of your likable character, no playing for the camera, just keeping it real. And that's the only way I can do it, in all honesty. I mean, I can't put up an act. I just am who I am. It's that simple. But I can't deal with being fake. Imagine, as I said earlier on, I mean, I can easily work 80 hours a week. Imagine being a fake person for 80 hours a week. I mean, that doesn't sound fun to me, my friends. Interview with the CEO of Hyliion. Yeah, I'm going to try and make that happen. But obviously, Thomas Healy's so busy right now. It probably won't happen for a couple of weeks. You know what I mean? But I will try to get him onto the channel. Do you play Warzone? I don't, but I do want to start playing games soon. Now, I want to keep that completely different from YouTube. I want this YouTube to just completely be about, finance related stuff, about the stock market. But I might end up making a Twitch at some stage and, actually just chilling out and streaming some games. If I get a proper good setup, which is what I'm in the process of doing, we'll see. And that is the end of the Juicy Guinea. What do you do for a living? YouTube, my friend. YouTube. I quit my job, went full-time on YouTube July 4th. I learned more than you from school. Yeah, bro. Good. I'm glad. You know what I mean? I'm glad I can help teach you a thing or two. You're not holding enough shares of Hyliion. That's why. Yeah, no, I'm not. I said that in my stream recently. I'm not holding very much. I invested in them when I wasn't making as much money, so I couldn't invest as much. Interview with Kathy Wood. I've tried. As you can imagine, she's a very busy woman. I think I will get her on someday, but yeah, just not yet. Robert, thank you so much for showing up, brother. I appreciate you being here from day one. Can I prove you're a real person and not just Brian with a mask on? Right, that's it. Somebody needs to ban this guy permanently. He's trying to expose me. Cad, don't ever say that again, okay? What were you doing before you started YouTube? I was a personal trainer. That's what I did for a good 3.5, 4 years before YouTube, and that's what I was doing when I started YouTube as well. What's happening with Green Motor? I haven't kept up to date with them at all, in all honesty. What's happening after hours? Not a lot. Workhorse, what are you doing? Not a lot. Any big moves? No. Not a lot. Yeah, not a whole lot happening after hours. Hyliion's up 1.5. Nothing crazy. Okay. How about Tasha Ark instead of Kathy Wood? I can try to get somebody else from the team on, definitely. One day these CEOs will be asking you for interviews. Well, I mean, they already are. I got an interview from another CEO. I got an email from another CEO today. I got one last week. It was Lordstown Motors PR team who reached out to me. The only person I reached out to was Workhorse. Yeah, I do get an email from a CEO pretty much on a weekly basis now looking to come on the channel. Obviously, I don't want to just speak to anybody for the sake of it. If I think it's going to be interesting or good for the channel, I will. Favorite places I visited. I was in New York last year with my girlfriend. That was awesome. Praia da Lua in Portugal is my favorite place in the world. It's so calm, it's so chill, it's so relaxed. I was in Iceland as well, and that was an amazing, amazing experience. But my what Jack mask on Brian. No, nobody asked that question again. Dark Ravine, I've literally answered that question to you specifically a couple of times already. I can't tell you. What do you think about CRM? Who is CRM? Geez, this looks like a big stock. Oh, Salesforce. Yeah, a lot the same as a lot of the cloud-based companies right now. I think there's a lot of growth priced in. They have done incredibly well, but yeah, I'm not personally interested. I'll say that much. One stock to load up on this week at current prices. Okay, started this year, and I can't thank you enough for what I've made so far. Plus 14% just today. Beautiful. You're asking me this on the wrong week because last week was when I loaded up. I put $5,700 in the market last week, which for me is a lot of money. This week, I'm not seeing that much value in the market just yet in comparison to my positions. Everything long term is still good. I mean, Workhorse, Lordstown, Spce, SPE definitely. If you're not looking for an EV related play, I still love Ccxx. Virgin Galactic, from a very long term point of view, is still as high risk, high reward as ever. I don't think this day matters too much. I still love Workhorse and Lordstown, but my plan was to buy lots of Virgin Galactic today. Like that was going to be 50 to 100 share day, and I finally would have had my position built, but then this happened. So I can't really say, my friend, I'm sorry, but it's the wrong week for it. In all honesty, there'd be nothing wrong with staying cash heavy and waiting for a better opportunity. Oh, I have a few Portuguese people here, do I? If you're ever in California, I'm going to be there, bro. Definitely, I'll let everybody know. Yo, if I have any Portuguese people in here, drop me a message. I love Portugal so much. That is actually where I want to buy my first house out of this country. That is where I want to kind of chill out. I really love it. I was just hiking up the remote mountains and saw a withered Trevor Milton in his undies yelling about his precious. Was he slowly rolling down the hill as well? Spain, I love Spain too. Totally make a Twitch account because off your upfront nature, you'd make a few nice bucks easy. Also, check out SPI. Yeah, SPI was nuts. Yeah, I'm thinking of making a Twitch just because I love doing these streams, but I think in future I want more structure to them. You know, I want to have more to talk about. I love doing it like this. I actually really love just speaking with the comment section. But I think if I make a Twitch and I kind of play games while I do it, it'll be more interesting than looking at just, a stock chart. I am Portuguese / Japanese. That's sick. Yeah, Friday the ticket will change. I have a Portuguese passport. That's sick. I don't speak Portuguese. No. The Algarve has some great places. Yes, Sophie, Praia da Lua. That's where I love with a passion. Are you near Ross Lair? Not too far, bro. Not too far. I'm Portuguese and a real estate broker. Well, I know who I'll speak to when I want to buy my property. Still like CLSK? Yeah, I do. Will there be a big dip in the market? If I knew I'd be the richest man in the world, my friend. 32k on SPY in an hour. I wish I was you, man. That's crazy money. Do I think Apple stock will rise when the iPhone 12 comes out? Most certainly. Thoughts on selling covered calls on SPACs? Again, it's one thing I'm not too in the loop in because I can't do it, but from what I can tell, it seems to be a fantastic strategy. Thumbs up for USPS call before month's end. Hope it happens. Okay, my friends, I think I am going to have to call it a day there. I honestly didn't plan on even doing it for an hour, and we're an hour 10 minutes in. But it's been fun, my friends. It's been fun. I did just want to celebrate the good market with you guys since the first stream. We did it on like literally the worst market day that there was. But I really do appreciate you all showing up. The fact that we're on over 1,000 likes in a live stream is absolutely amazing. You know what I mean? It really is. We're still on 700 viewers. Lots of love getting thrown into the chat now. I appreciate you all. You all make it so easy to do, honestly. You make it so easy. You guys motivate me every single day. I know you guys love coming for the content, but you genuinely do motivate me to do this every single day. So I appreciate you all, my friends. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, afternoon, evening, whatever it is where you are. And of course, I will see you all for a video tomorrow. You already know how it is. Yeah, thank you all for showing up. I hope you have a good day, guys.